Hello Jammers, Srd73 here. Today I just wanted to film a short video because I sort of wanted to be about my best friend, Srd73, who is actually doing a live right now. Also, if you come here to Srd73's den, I have a little bit of a Phantom Croc Club and Phantom Seals. Okay, so anyway, I just really wanted to say that about Srd73 that she has really helped me while I'm filming, and she has really just made me feel good and stuff. So I really want you to, I don't know, compliment her, should I say that? Also, she has just been a really good friend, and I really I'm glad I met her. So also go to subscribe to her because she is awesome. She is called Mistystar Aj, and she actually is doing a live right now. So I'll tell her in the live, and I want her to see this. So Mistystar Aj, I really just want to say that you are an awesome person, and I really am glad I met you. So yeah, bye.